Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a tutorial over this makeup look here. So if you like it, you keep watching. If you don't, just watch another one of my videos, okay? Because there's a lot of good ones. I hope you like tutorial style videos because I know I've been doing a lot of them. Today's look, we switched up some colors because I realized I was doing a lot of pink. Let's just watch me get ready. I'm going to start by putting some washi tape on my eyes. This I've started doing recently just because it really helps me with the shape and with my eyeliner. I don't know. I used to be so against it because it was everybody always used Scotch tape and I'm like, oh god, that's just so rough. I don't want to do it. But then I got washi tape and it's like, wow. I love you, washi tape. Thank you. Oh, this is the only problem is I can never tell if they're even. Okay, we are washi taped now. I think I'm going to prime with my MAC Painterly paint pot. I am going to be using cream eyeshadow, so I don't know that I need to do this, but I'm going to do it anyways. I'm just going to use my finger. That's what I've been doing lately. I think most people use a brush when they apply it, but what else? I was going to put this on beforehand, but then I thought maybe I'd have problems with sticking the washi tape down, so I changed my mind. Okay. Like I said, I am going in with a cream product right away, so I don't know that was necessary, but I wanted to try it out. Anyways, stay washi tape, stay. Okay, so I'm going to be using the SEPHORA Jumbo Shadow and Liner. This is a shade Fresh Lemonade. I love it. I think it's so beautiful. I'm just going to plop that all over my lid, and then we'll blend it out with the finger probably, maybe eventually. Basically, I'm sticking the pencil, excuse me, I'm still sick, in my crease, and that's as high as I'm taking it. Not being as precise as maybe I should be, but it's being covered with eyeshadow anyway, so I can clean it up if need be. Not really sure where I'm going with this look. All I knew is I wanted to wear green today because I was looking through my palettes and I had a lot of pretty green shades, so here we are. I'm gonna pop into my ALAMAR Cosmetics little eyeshadow palette and go into the greenish shade there. That's El Melacone. I don't know. Melacone. I give up and I am so sorry for pronouncing that really wrong. I recently discovered that I really need to wash my brushes because when my friend was here, we have a lot of the same brushes and hers are white. And this is not. This is supposed to be white under here. I haven't washed them in a while. I think it's time. I am going in with the Morphe M167 and I'm going to put that towards the inner corner all over the lid where we placed the previous color. Now you can just wear this shade all on its own and it looks beautiful, but I put it on my hand just to see what they look like by itself and on top of the green, and it just looked just so much more pow. I'm going to take that just about to the middle and we'll stop there. Phone now. Are you close enough? Do you want to come closer? Let's come closer. I don't like it. I don't like this being this close. Okay, I understand it's probably easier to see what I'm doing, but it's not so bad when I already have foundation on. But when I don't, ugh. Okay, on to the next. I'm going to be bouncing back and forth between a lot of palettes, so I'm sorry. This is the Naked Cosmetics. I don't know what palette it is, but it's got 3 shades in here. I know I got this in BoxyCharm like 3 years ago, so I'm going to be using the green shade. It's just a tidbit darker than the other one, so I'm going to apply that in the middle and kind of on top of just a little bit of the last shadow. I feel like this this one isn't applying as well. So I am going to grab my SMASHBOX Photo Finish Primer Water. By the way, you guys, my friend and I found these on sale at Ulta. The first day we bought them, they were on sale for $3. So they went from, I'm not sure originally what they are, but then they went on sale for $15. And then after that, when we first got them, they were on sale for $3. And then after that, when we went back, they were, so it was 75% of that price. And then it was 90% off. So we ended up paying like $1.50. So we bought everything that they had. And unfortunately, I mean, by the time we got there, there wasn't a whole lot left. I guess we could have gotten them all when they were only $3 a piece, but I mean, I still got 3. I got 4 total, so I'm happy with it. So check your local Ulta. I'm bouncing back to the ALAMAR Cosmetics palette, and then I'm going back into this dark green shade here, Celia. Celia. Okay, that seems like an easy shadow to pronounce. I'm gonna stick with this brush too for now. Seems to be working all right, and I'm going to pack that in the outer corner. I'm bringing it along the crease as well, just dragging it just a tidbit, only when there's not much left on the brush, just to blend it in there just a little bit. Which I'm not sure is a good idea because I haven't put my crease color in yet. We're going to do it anyways. We're experimenting. Right, I think I like that. Greens are definitely not colors that I would normally play with. And especially because I have blue eyes, I always feel like greens just don't look as good on me. But, gosh, I was looking through all my palettes, I'm like, these are some pretty ass green colors, so let's use them all. We should have done this look when Jessica was here because she's got brown eyes and it looks beautiful. It would have looked beautiful on her, though she would look beautiful in anything. So I'm going to go back in with the second color we used from the Naked Cosmetics palette and just reapply that on the middle again. Make sure those two just are blended. And again in the first shade that we used from the ALAMAR Cosmetics, and just bring it back in the inner corner just to make sure that brightness is there still. I'm going to try this Morphe M330 brush out here quick, and then I'm going to hop into the L'Oreal Cosmetics Party Animal palette and go into SEPHORA right here, and I'm going to pop that in the crease. I don't know if this brush is going to work well for it, but I also got this palette in a BoxyCharm quite a while back. Now I am going to need to probably bring back in some of the darker shades that we already applied, but since we are applying our crease shade last, it's just a lot back and forth. Normally I would apply my crease shade first. I don't know, I've been watching a lot of people apply their crease shade last lately, so I'm like, I want to try it. Okay, that shade was pretty and all, but we need something else. I'm going to go into the Pure Festival palette. I've been using it as a mirror, so I'm going to pop into this one and use the shade Epic right here. Pop this on the same brush and put that in the crease a little bit more. Yeah, that's more of a tone that I want. Not sure if I'm liking this. I'm going to switch to the Morphe M441. There's no product on it, but I'm just going to go just on the outsides here. Maybe I could have gotten away without so much of blending like a crease shade, but I feel like it's just a lot smoother like this. Now I'm going to go back into the dark green shade from the outer corner and bring that back in. Alright, I'm liking it so far. I think it looks very pretty. And then the other thing, the reason I was using the pure one for my mirrors, because I wanted to use the 24 karat magic here. It's just a glitter topper, so I'm going to try to pop that in the inner corner and see if it'll work very well. Yeah, did I ruin it? Do I like it? I don't know. And I'm going to tap it out, try to blend it outwards as well. I just haven't worn glitter on the eyes for such a long time. I was like, ugh, I just need the glitter. Alright, that's good enough. Good enough for me. Should I put an eyeliner on? Let's try it. Gonna go in with my Smashbox Always On liquid liner. This is what I always use. And I'm gonna line these quick. Oh, I need to feed my daughter's fish. Totally forgot to do that this morning. I think I just need to stop applying liner in these looks because I do not have eyeliner perfected at all, and it never looks good and it never looks even. So until I get it like down pat, I should just stop. Cool, I like the looks of it so far. It always looks funny, you know, without foundation and everything. Okay, I'm now going to finish the rest of my face. I'm just going to fast forward through it all so you can kind of see what products I'm using. Maybe if you have any questions, I will try to link them in the description box below. Otherwise, just let me know if you have questions. I think we've got the full face on now, so Let's hope there's no lipstick on my teeth. I'm going to zoom you back in and we'll finish the rest of the eyes. I'm going to start with the Morphe M321, this one right here. I'm going to go back into the Pure palette using this same shade, Epic, that I used in the crease, and I'm going to blend it underneath the lash line and take it out to the outer corner just to match it up a little bit with the upper eye. Next, I'm going to take this Morphe M431. It's a little pencil brush, and I'm going to go back into the L'Oreal Lee Los Angeles palette into SEPHORA, that lime green shade, and I'm going to also run that under the lash line, but with having this pencil brush, it is smaller, so it's not going to go down as far. I'm now going to take a flat definer brush and the shade Celia, the dark shade there, and, you know, do the lower lash line, line it, get real close. I'm not bringing it all the way in because I am going to bring a brighter shade back down there too, but I am going about 3/4 of the way. And we are going to have to fix the eyeliner as well, which is fine. I just like to do the eyeliner while the tape is on because I feel like I get them more even. I'm going to take that same pencil brush I used with the SEPHORA shade, and I'm going to run that under the lash line to blend those shades out now. Then I'm going to go in with this. It's a Sonia Kashuk brush, but I don't know what it is, or there's some eyeshadow on it already. Yummy. But I'm going to take that first shade that I don't know how to say, this one here, and put that under the lash line in the inner corner to bring more of that brightness back. Just poked my eye. Whee! Alright, so my camera cut out at some point. I wasn't paying attention, and I believe I was in the middle of my eyeliner. So all I did was retouch up my eyeliner, put on some lashes, and I think that's it. Oh, I put a little highlight on my brow bone. But other than that, I mean, that's it. So here's the final look. Hope you guys like it. Nothing, it's not like super crazy, but it's not also your like everyday. I mean, I'd totally wear this outside, but definitely not an everyday, you know, natural look, whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any suggestions for the next video or just any comment at all, let me know down below. Please hit the like button if you liked it and subscribe to my channel, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.